You know what I love about investing in the stock market? It doesn't care whether I'm black or white, whether I'm male or female. It doesn't care, where I live. It doesn't care about any of those things, right? It's a marketplace for everybody. And everybody can use this marketplace to create generational wealth for themselves. And this is exactly what we teach at Mindshift Theory, right? We teach the wealth triangle strategy on how to make your money work for you 3 times. Like one pot of money paying you 3 times. Like that's an amazing thing, right? Like how do you get to that point? You get to that point by building a dividend portfolio through dollar cost averaging. You get to that point by selling covered calls against your portfolio and generating weekly income against that. You get that through capital appreciation or stock appreciation. And you only get stock appreciation if you're actually buying and selling at the right times. And everybody says to you, oh, this hot tip and that hot tip and buy this now. That is not the strategy for an investor that wins over the long term. Strategy for an investor that wins over the long term is one where that investor has a better idea of when to dollar cost average into a specific position, when to buy low, right? When to add into specific assets, how to then make that asset actually work for you. And that's exactly what we strive to teach here at Mindshift Theory, is that it's possible for everybody to do. It's possible for you to do. It's been possible for us to do over the past 10 years. And we want to share as much of this knowledge as we possibly can in order to make sure that this knowledge is widely out there, right? Because this knowledge basically sits within a small pool of people that doesn't want to share it with you. It sits within people that are fear-mongering, that says to you, oh, the stock market is really hard and it's difficult and you shouldn't do it because you don't have the expertise. It's people that's fear-mongering, that says if you don't have a CPA degree or understand numbers fundamentally, then this is not for you. It's how the 1% makes their money work for them. And it's literally how the rich gets richer, right? And I think it's something that all of us should actually know how to do, because there's nothing specifically special about the affluent or the top 1%. The only difference between you and them is knowledge. That's the only difference. And if you can actually bridge that knowledge gap, then you can be exactly where that person that is in the 1% is today. Right? There's nothing that holds you back from actually doing that besides knowledge. And that's exactly what we share here at Mindshift Theory is the knowledge to get you from where you are today and working for your money to where your money actually works for you. And that's our goal in everything that we actually teach today.